The controversial measure here in the House drew the kind of abortion debate that's been heard in this country for more than half a century.
You know that that little boy or that little girl is alive when you hear the heartbeat.
No woman, including myself, should have to carry a rapist baby.
The bill that bans abortions if a fetal heartbeat is detected passed almost along straight party lines. Opponents, like Democrat London Lamar of Memphis, said that heartbeats in some cases can be heard as early as 6 weeks.
Many women do not even know they're pregnant by that time.
East Tennessee Republican Matthew Hill added an amendment trying to ease fears about the bill affecting Tennessee's current abortion law.
If the new restrictions were to be challenged, the current abortion restrictions that we have in code would remain in effect.
But Democrats waved their hands in protest when they felt their amendment allowing abortion in the case of rape or incest was not heard. Moments later, the bill passed.
Aye 65, 21 nays, 7 present, not voting.
But there will be questions in the Senate. Lieutenant Governor Randy McNally would like to wait before moving the bill to see what happens with similar fetal heartbeat bills in other states that are currently in court. And that means when it comes to the Senate here, the heartbeat bill likely won't be going through as quickly as it did in the House. Reporting from the Tennessee State Capitol, Chris Bungard, Local 24 News.